How to track prescription savings with GoodRx. To track your prescription savings with GoodRx, you must utilize the platform's built-in medicine cabinet. First things first, launch the mobile application or simply open any web browser of your choice, then head to the official GoodRx website. Now you simply have to log into your account and then type in your medication name in the main search bar at the top. Now you simply have to adjust the drop-down menus to match your current prescription precisely. Then click the star icon or the button labeled Add to Medicine Cabinet at the top of the price comparison layout. Now you simply have to monitor the medicine cabinet interface. Head to My Prescriptions or Medicine Cabinet tab to view your tracking analytics. You will find the savings summary over there as well as price drop alerts. You can also access historical saving data by simply opening your profile settings, then heading to the savings history or my coupons. From there, you can review the timeline of previously generated coupon codes and active processing numbers. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.